Okay, so this video will be simple. In this video, we already have talked about what is Kimi K2. So yesterday, Kimi K2 has learned this new person. It's Kimi K2 is a AI agent that runs on a computer. We are yesterday got a new update from the side of Kimi K2, and they were launched their new model Kimi K2 0955, and this is the best model. It's a little bit better about on it. Let's cloud code. Just click on here. Okay. So this is a kilo code. You can see this one. We can use here as well. We'll go just on its official website or the provider. So just select and we'll see what they were. So here's the update: enhanced coding capability, front ending, to calling context length, extend to 256 tokens, and it improved intelligence. Yes, improved integration with various agents as well as etc. cloud code. And with code is you can calculate and such as to 60 to 10 100% for accuracy. You can see the stats. In some cases, it's built with the cloud code. You can see in this, it's based the cloud code. And the best part is it's free and it's open source. So you can use it, and it's like we will creating simple things using this. Okay, let's test out. If we go ahead, this official website. Go ahead. Next. Okay. So here is node that model which we want. So we go back and click on the kilo code. You can easily use this using kilo code, but we will use this one using this again interface. Okay, so choose the model. How can you use this? The total parameter is 1 trillion, and active parameter is 20 billion, 32 billion, and number of layers 61. Number of different layers is over here. I will in my so you can easily check this. This part that it's good for doing the coding and all of that. So, and let's talk about its functionality. But let's use this using the kilo code. Let's go over there. And you can also use through open router it's provided. So just simply do chat use this using the kilo code. Simple. Create and begin a standalone file. So it's asking for the credits. So using this, we will use the kilo code. Because I need to download the kilo code from Samsung. Just say kilo code and just go here and install this. And it's provided separated, so you can easily use it. So that just click over here and select the kilo code. Create your account and you will claim some credits, claim free credits. Here is you receive $5 in a free declare by adding payment. So we do a payment method, then we go to 5 credits and we will use it simply. And you can also use a blue code and it's for $20 credits, so you can easily use it and it will work. And let's test out how this works and this functionality and this how. So just go back to the video So let's say allow your collections to for okay. So we have framed the now let's ask this for the code and we will also select the model that is Kimi K2. The model over here. Now create a car game, a standalone in HTML file. Now let's okay now it's working on this. You can find the guides so you can use it for creating a simple things. Just like it's writing a code usually. And it will take some time then we will use it and how it's working. We take up its functionality and we will also take its performance. Still working on and we've also created the butterfly flying and simple game like chess game as well. So it's like 0.1 tokens. And in my case I have left and this is the payment $0.01, 0.01 cents you can say. And it's still creating the card game button. You can use this here and this is good. It's quite good. And let's say after that, we'll run in a browser and we'll see how it's doing its functionality and if I will compare to the other models as well and its performance out there because so here's a car. Instead of car game, I wrote car game. Okay, no, let's see. So, so it was my wrongness. And look at this. Instead of car game, I wrote car game. Okay, let's how this is. Let's move on. Let's say this to this. No, you can see this one to this one. We remove imagine. We don't get the same. Well, it's good, but I don't want this, so I just came back again. So I just came back again, and I will ask to create the simple app, simple car game, because I don't want this. So I just came back and write a new task. Here's the chat and including the create chat game, including the motion and animations, and make sure make the file send it to hit the enter button and it will working on it and then take I wrote the card game. But I don't want the card game, so it's working on second after that we get a card game and two things more then we'll see how it's working or improve before it's done. Basically this was a good to see later and it's quite compared before we got this one and we also have this was a card game and it's still writing the code and sizes and the all things. I'll just keep this and keep same as I want. And this is a simple. It's writing source, renderable. And you can see I have selected model. Kimi K2 090.05. Sorry, 0905 model, which I have recently released, and this is working good. We have 500 plus codes here, and it's still writing the code. Okay, let's see how much time it will take. Then we will moving to the other topic. And after that, I will also write here. Just I will leave this one instead of wasting time. I just write. Coding. So the chess game is created now. Let's see the chess game. So here the chess. Now I will open the chess game and make this later. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see this is working good, and it's making this. You can see, and the cool part is and you can use unlimited. Just like me, I created a simple chess game, and it's working perfectly. You can see it's also cutting like the real chess game. I just making this simply easy. So you can see like this. I cut it all. Okay, so this is the code, and it's created literally the game which I used to know. And this is the move history you can see as well. And this is good. First we created the come game, and after we created simple chess game, and it's working good. All all things is working good, and as well. Let's play a little bit like tricky one, and now let's move into the other project. Just for our code now. Okay, it's the chess means it's testing the run code and it's testing the arm. So it's looking at card game as like this one code really. And you can easily create this using just Siloko. And this is working good as I want to know. This is the good one. Okay, and let's move over to the third again. And it's working on the game and we will see the magic because we have created two things and it's working quite good. Because I have seen YouTube's video, they were created, but it was not properly working. But in my case, it's working as like I want. You can see, and if you click here, and let's say, look, same, and it cuts like a flick. And now the 3D game is working on it. Now Kimi K2 0905 is working on it, and it's absolutely right up to and that's it. It's done. And now just run command. And this is a silly game. I won. Okay. Our stadium is ready and for mouse steer and car fast move, fast boost, accelerate, pro, and left side. Okay. Quite good compared to the other models. But it's moving in the wrong direction. Okay. And there is an obstacle as well. My mouse is not working well, like this. And look at this. You can move it properly using this and it's working good. It's like a car that moving into this one and it's working well. On the road is and now it's flying. This is the first car that's flying. Okay, you can check the page and this is same and here is a red button, red dots for the obstacles. So now let's move into another project. And create a butterfly. Okay, so I just wrote create a simple butterfly that's flying in the garden. Now let's see, click over here and it will create another class and this would be working good. And the thing we created is working good. And you can fix it like just reset the page and boost the speed to the counter and here's the trick and click here it will stay so up and you when you hit on obstacles it's standing the brain but we need to work on the flying button and, okay it's still working on it. Now our butterfly is ready. Now let's check it on a browser and you can see it's like a real butterfly and it's working and this is a cloud and butterfly is a little bit tricky but it's working good. And these are the button and this are fruit with along with sun and the sky and this is butterfly. It's quite good compared to the other model. The deep peak is the better in getting that kind of butterfly. Say uh, I just approve this. So you can try the kilo code freely and you will get 5 credits and you can see I use only some credits, $5 credits and new stuff. It's simple. I will just create a simple website, not a website. I will also create a game. Okay. Create some lines. And now it will working on it and we will also see how it's working because we did three. The chess, this memory card game, and 3D card game, and the fourth one is this butterfly. And now it has still a load of credits left. So you can use a kilo code. I link in the description. You can check out and you will get 5 free credits. Now it's working on a Mindset game. But Mindset game, I don't know what it will make because I wrote my mistake and I tested this all and this will be good. It will take some time and after that we will see it's working good and so it's still working on it. So you know it's writing on a body and might say, but I can read your mind. Its mind said like it can say I can read your mind. Let's say what you get the output. Okay, so it's working and let me know comment what you want me to create in another video because I will compare this Kimi to the other model, open source models that we will see working its facilities and benchmarks and all things and which one is better like a deep say GPT-5 and GPT other thing and cloud and we will create a like a website and simple services using this and animation and we'll see which one is the better performing. Then let me know comment if you want video and if you don't then and and let me comment game what like create after that. So this is the mind sphere game like it's still writing on it. So intelligence can on it's still working on it. Now it's working on a JavaScript file. Then the JavaScript code, and this is the context, and you can see the len context and create a simple my people name. Oh, it's a swiper, a stroke, swiper. You can stop wasting time here. You see the thing, and you can use the Kimi K2 here, but it's good and it's working here as well. But it will charge you some credit, and we don't want money because we have. Okay, let's say it's a blitz, so some tips. And now let's open this in browser and just right click and open as a server. Now this is the mindset. I can read your mind. Think of a number any between I can. Okay, I thought a number. Find your number in the card below.